Wanted to share this really cool functionality I've been playing around with. This is using SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll and taking that data and using Epiuse's Query Manager and getting it into Amazon Web Services QuickSight, or their analytics platform. And so as you can see, this is a gross pay dashboard. It can show information such as the total gross pay for my period, which in this case is an entire calendar year from January 1st to December 31st for 2023. It can show averages, such as the whole year across my population, the monthly, and then as you look into the different parts of the chart, you'll see I have the SuccessFactors Foundation objects like business unit, division, department, and then it's broken down. So I can see the gross pay for my sales department as one, or if I go down to my real estate or the different ones that I have, and it's able to be organized so you can kind of very quickly and easily see that amount. One really cool functionality Amazon has is this forecasting functionality. So I have the data from January to December, and so this is actuals, and then this will show a projection, including an upper and lower range in that projection using Amazon's AI. One of my other favorite functionality is Amazon has generative AI with this Amazon Q, and it allows you to ask questions about your data, right? And so you can build stories, get an executive summary, and then ask questions. So let's take a look at this and say, hey, what was my let's say US HR department gross pay for June 2023? And ask this. And now you can see that the generative AI is going and it's analyzing the data to go and get it, and then it'll come back with not only the answer, but really a full analysis, right? And so to me, this is incredibly impressive, where it shows the exact answer I'm looking for, Department Human Resources US, June 2023, boom. There, very big amount, got my answer. But it also gives me this analysis. In June, the total gross for HR department in the US was this, but it now gives me details. This figure represents the lower monthly total for the year, and the highest one was in January, and it was this amount, and there was no change between this amounts both months. And now it also gives me the chart. So if I don't want to just see June, I can see kind of how it sees the different amounts over here. Right there, and it's more details right here. So super cool functionality. AWS has amazing AI, and I think you can do some really powerful things combining this with payroll results from SAP, including SAP SuccessFactors with Employee Central data. Thanks.